What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing something a bit different. Every week's different now, so I don't know. Today we're going to be doing the Corporate Survivor number 2. All right, so let's just get into it. First thing we're going to need is 20 mils of a gin, 20 mils of a sweet white vermouth, then 20 mil orange liqueur, 20 mil lemon, and then we're going to give that a good shake. We're going to pull out our coupe or a Nick and Nora. We're going to rinse the glass with absinthe. So that's all it is. It's pretty simple. Right, all equal parts, which makes it super easy, plus the Absinthe Rinse, which is always easy because it has the, you just mist that on there. As far as the drink goes, it's super enjoyable. Corporate Survivor number 2 is an incredibly popular cocktail. Majority of people know about it, but that doesn't necessarily mean everyone's had it. It does take quite a few ingredients, it is only 4, but 3 of them are spirits. So that said, it is very enjoyable. This is definitely one of those good summer cocktails. It's citrusy, it's light, it's really crisp, so I would definitely give it a go. The Corporate Survivor number 2 is, how do we put this? This is an incredibly old cocktail. The Corporate Survivor number 2 goes back to the 1870s at least. It's part of a family of cocktails that were known for reviving people from the dead or curing hangovers, basically, is what it meant. So that's why it's called the Corpse Survivor. So people would drink this assuming that they would be not hungover after. This cocktail, it was super popular for a bit, and then it fell out of popularity for a few decades at least. I think it was around the 30s that it began coming back out a lot more. Bartenders were researching history of cocktails just to try and find inspiration. So they found this one and they enjoyed it, I guess. Its inclusion in Harry Craddock's Savoy Cocktail book really did help push that popularity of it as well. The book came out in the 30s. Overall, guys, it is a good cocktail. I do recommend giving it a try if you're down for something kind of citrusy and crisp. The sweet white vermouth. So typically, the specs call for Lillet Blanc, which is a sweet white vermouth. Not everyone uses Lillet Blanc. Not everyone likes Lillet Blanc. I used a local sweet white vermouth, so a Bianco vermouth. Use whatever you got. That is all I have for you today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoy these, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm gonna come out with more of these every single week. If there are cocktails that you think I should do on here, let me know what they are. All right, I'll try and get the ingredients and we'll whip them up. All right, until next time, guys. Cheers.